Every day, the heart pumps millions of blood cells throughout the human body, and every day, millions of germs are invading. The human body has an immune system to counteract harmful invaders to fight disease. Viruses, although technically non-living, can cause colds and flus, while bacteria can cause other diseases such as strep throat and tuberculosis. These germs can be spread through many ways. Airborne transmission is rare. Disease is usually spread through water, such as body fluids when you sneeze or cough, or by a contaminated water supply where bacteria can grow. In rare cases, a disease can cross over from a certain animal and jump into humans, as in the reports of bird flu and swine flu. This is the H1N1 flu virus. If you could examine it at a molecular level, you would see that the spikes covering the surface are special proteins. There are two primary types of protein: hemagglutinin, shown in purple, and neuraminidase, shown in orange. These two proteins are what make each flu virus unique. Each protein is specific to only one species. Peeling away the phospholipid membrane, we see the virus capsid, which contains the coiled virus RNA. Looking closer at the virus, you can see individual phospholipid molecules moving around in the fluid membrane, as well as the virus proteins embedded within. Hemagglutinin has a three-sided structure, while neuraminidase is arranged symmetrically in a box formation. Hemagglutinin allows a virus to bind to a host cell. The name hemagglutinin comes from its ability to agglutinize red blood cells into a tight clump. Once the virus binds to the host cell, it fuses its own membrane with the cell's membrane, leaving the virus capsid to enter the cell. Once inside, the virus merges its own RNA with the cell's DNA, co-opting the host cell to reproduce the virus. When the immune system detects infection, plasma cells create antibodies, also known as immunoglobulins. Antibodies are Y-shaped molecules that attach to harmful cells and pathogens to signal them for destruction. Once tagged by antibodies, the virus is consumed by white blood cells called macrophages. The macrophages use enzymes to denature the virus into harmless pieces. The key to health isn't disinfecting wipes or antibacterial soap, but our own natural immune system, which identifies, adapts to, and destroys millions of harmful invaders, keeping us healthy and protected.